celebrating Diwali as ever. So, what are we gonna do first, Chirag? Should we start off with some dances? Do we think, is our Bollywood dance group ready? Are we ready? Okay, so what are we gonna do is we're gonna start off with a medley, a Punjabi medley. Get ready to feel the energy rise because we are going to bring Punjab to the stage. Coming up is a Bollywood dance medley inspired by the spirit of Punjabi. Come on everybody, put your hands up in the air, come on! Hey, 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 hey! I want to see some hands up in the air. Come on. Divali Blackpool!
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless
that tonight's gonna be a good, good night. I feel